Some 350 kilometers from Bhopal on Mandsaur-Chittorgarh State Highway, girls and women of the Bachra tribe conduct their illegal sex trade in the name of tradition. The Bachra tribe push their daughters into the sex trade, and with time the tradition has taken a worse form where the Bachras now traffic the girls and live off their income. NDTV Siddharth Ranjan Das brings you this exclusive ground report from Mandsaur.
अभी बुक करने आए हैं, पैसा देके जाएंगे एडवांस। This conversation may sound shocking to you, but for the women of the Bachra tribe, it's business as usual. They openly conduct their illegal trade in 35 villages alongside the highway from Mandsaur to Chittorgarh in Rajasthan. These pawn shops and tea stalls with girl attendants are just a cover. For Bachra tribe, prostitution is a way of life, passed down generations, no questions asked. This 38-year-old woman was into prostitution for over 2 decades, till she quit a year ago. Her daughter is studying nursing and her son is a daily wager. But the tradition, locally called Dera, continues in her house for girls who she says are her distant relatives.
अपनी मर्जी से हैं, करते आ रहे शुरू से, किसी ने प्रतिबंध तो नहीं हुआ तो करते रहे हैं, बस बाप बूढ़ा वैसे चलता है। पुलिस नहीं करती हमको कोई परेशान।
क्या कारण है?
अब पुलिस कारण तो कुछ नहीं है, पता है अब यहाँ शुरू से बसे हुए हैं, रह रहे हैं, दे रहे, सभी पुलिस को ही मालूम है कि यहाँ परंपरा से चलता रहा, हम लोगों को कुछ कहते ही नहीं।
In this 100-kilometer stretch from Mandsaur to Chittorgarh, we could spot nearly 700 girls soliciting customers, but hardly any police to check them. Young girls who should be in school or college spend their day luring customers who are mainly truck drivers. Their families depend on these earnings. In the last 2 years, the police have rescued a little over 60 girls who were kidnapped and sold to the Bachra tribe.
मैं उसको पॉजिटिव तरीके से ये कहूँगा कि कम से कम इतना सुधार आया है कि पहले जो माँ बाप अपनी बड़ी बच्ची को ही इस काम में रखते थे, अब उन्होंने उसको बंद कर दिया। तो कम से कम एक पॉइंट पे तो उनकी मनोवृत्ति बदली। लेकिन दूसरा जो आया है, तो अब उस दूसरे को चेक करने के लिए हमने ऐसे लोगों के बारे में पता लगा करके उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई करना प्रारंभ की है।
It's a disturbing trend. More and more families in the Bachra tribe are breaking tradition when it comes to their own daughters, but are keeping it alive by kidnapping girls as young as 4 or even younger and raising them into the flesh trade. Police raids hardly matter to the Bachras. The police act only when they catch anyone red-handed, and even then let them off with fines. The 62 girls who were rescued in the last 2 years have been sent to Apnaghar, a correction home in Mandsaur. 25 of them have been reunited with their biological parents, tragically for some, against their wishes. These girls know they were kidnapped and sold, but they still want to stay with their Bachra family.
एक साधु आया तो मैं सहेली आधे गेले में छोड़ के चली गई, तो वहाँ पे अंदर रखा। तुमने बोला कि तुम्हारा बेटा, तुम्हारी मम्मी है ना बीमार बहुत पड़ी, उनका नाम है हेमा, कि तुम्हारी मम्मी बहुत बीमार पड़ी कि वहाँ पे चलो। तो मैं गई, तो मैंने बोला मेरी मम्मी कहाँ है, तो तुमने बोला कि है ना तुम्हारे मम्मी पापा कोई भी नहीं, तो मैं बस में बैठा दिया मेरे को।
पुलिस वाले लेके आए।
क्या बोल रहे थे आपको?
वो बोल रहे थे ये जो तुम्हारी मम्मी है ये तुम्हारी रियल मम्मी नहीं है, इन्होंने तुमको पैसे से खरीदा है।
ऐसा बताया उन्होंने। यहाँ के खुश हो, 1 साल से उन्हें अच्छा लगता है या घर जाने का मन करता है?
घर जाने का मन करता है।
क्यों?
उन्हीं मम्मी पापा की याद आती है मेरे को।
In the early 90s, the Madhya Pradesh government started the Jawali Yojana, a rehabilitation program for the Bachra and few other tribes who as a tradition are into prostitution. But the ground reality remains the same, indicating how ineffective the program has been. The need of the hour is a better rehabilitation program and its proper implementation by the authorities so that this tradition can be completely eradicated from the society. In Mandsaur with Manish and Rizwan Khan, Siddharth Ranjan Das for NDTV.
India's #1 news app. Just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.